Customize and save with Liberty Mutual. Very funny, Limu.
Open. He's waking up.
He's waking up.
Yeah.
I was in my room and I saw that they were feeding it.
Found a baby hummingbird in the yard. Was crying. Trying to give it some sugar water. And it's actually waking up and it's starting to look happy. You want to feed it and show them? No, you do it. I don't want to. Look, you can see when this is sugar water. This green cap is sugar water. And oh, it's actually.
Oh my god! Oh my god! It's flying! Oh. I think he thinks it's like.
Okay.
I think he wants to stay.
Oh, there it goes.
Ready?